It's the day before the 100-mile ride. We've got about an hour and a half journey to the starting point. So if you know this bike from watching the other videos, you know the spark plug thread is gone. It still runs okay, but it rattles loose after a long ride. So I've got a helicoil kit to sort it out. Running good. You won't be able to see because it's too dark. But I'm going to Loctite the spark plug in just for this ride until I've got a bit more time to sort it out. If you look up here, just got the old cheapy helicoil kit. So we'll helicoil it. I'm just going to chuck some Loctite on this now, throw it in. You know a product's good when the warning is just cancer. So I'm not too worried if it's too tight or too strong because the thread's ruined anyway. So if I break it coming out, doesn't really matter. I'm just going to nip it up now before it goes off and yeah, see how she fares tomorrow. Right, there's the mileage. I'm running really late. We've got a petrol can because there's no petrol stops on the way. My car broke down this morning, so I'm in a mad rush to get to Rye. Right, let's do this.
Go up here, then turn off to the Brexit turning. I know the Hammersmith turning.
Yeah. Are we going to make it in time?
The only bit I'm unsure of is Chinese showering.
Right, we made it to the first checkpoint at the Chinese restaurant. It was running a tad late, but we made it in about 15 minutes. Everyone loves Lou's Vespa. Oh, we have friends.
We've lost a few.
We have, haven't we?
Yeah, we have to meet them at Whitstable.
Yep, all right. Back off. To Whitstable. First pit stop, we're at Whitstable. Just chucked some fuel in. Lou's scooter's blown up. No, it hasn't.
As you're coming round the coast, isn't it?
Yeah. Hey, hey. We need a GoPro. Yeah, boy. Just a little fuel stop for the rest of the lads. Lou loves talking. No one likes talking, Lou. You just have to do it.
Talking? What do you want to know?
Who are you? Where do you live? Made it. Both made it.
It's a fair bit of fuel then, like.
Yeah.
Use,
Tank and a
5
bit.
litres.
How much does it take? Unknown. The tank, yeah.
I don't know, about 8 maybe.
Really? That much?
8 litres.
That's quite big.
Definitely takes a full one of them.
There we have it. We made it back. The bike was faultless the entire time, along with Lou's Vespa, which had just had its new engine in that's just been rebuilt and was perfect the whole time. It was a really good run. It's a lot of country roads, which was really cool. So a lot of like single lane sort of stuff. Met a bunch of really cool people. Yeah, it was really nice. People were actually impressed with the speed. They said that mine was pretty much like 5 mile an hour faster than theirs, so that's interesting, seeing as the engine I thought was wrecked, but they said it's got a good strong motor on it, so that's a nice positive. Looking forward to doing some more runs. The exhaust wasn't actually that bad on a long run. Got a mixed response, but a lot of people actually liked it. I definitely need to invest in a GoPro to get some more footage of on the bike and riding. It's more entertaining for you guys. I definitely need some more racks. This wasn't working out. I had the can on the back and then it started sliding off